Hi, everybody. Just this past week, Google dropped its monthly cost on Gemini from $19.99 to $9.99 for 2 months. That is if you were a previous subscriber. I had signed up for, or I think I got 2 free months of Gemini, I think back when it first came out, and that expired. I didn't renew it, or I didn't pay the $19.99, which it asked for. I just let it expire, didn't sign up for the $19.99, and now just the other day I got an email from Google saying get Gemini Advanced and more with a Google One AI Premium plan for $9.99. So they've gone from giving it, like a trial for free to now saying, okay, you didn't sign up for the $19.99, but we're going to offer it to you for $9.99 for 2 months. So this is kind of interesting that the prices are already coming down. Google is clearly a little desperate to get some users to get some buzz about Gemini, which really hasn't had much since its launch earlier this year. If you signed up for that trial months ago, let it expire like I did, check your inbox. You probably got an offer for a $9.99 for a couple months this summer. Whether or not you want to do that, that's up to you. Now, if you never did take part in that previous trial, you still have the opportunity to do so. That is, if you never signed up for Gemini, you can just go to Gemini and just sign up for their advanced at 2 months at no charge, and that will give you full access to basically everything you need. Like you can see here, Gemini, just using Gemini is free. But Google is giving new customers, if you will, or new users, the first 2 months free with their 1.5 Pro next gen model. Again, if you're just getting into this whole AI craze, Gemini, it's actually really good. It's comparable to ChatGPT. I think Gemini Advanced is probably just as good as the ChatGPT 4.0. Although ChatGPT did just release its new version of 4.0, which is free as well. So this might also be why Google has dropped the pricing and kept this trial offer available. I would not pay the $20 for ChatGPT Plus right now. I don't think, if you're a new AI user, I don't think that's really worthwhile. If you really wanted to, you could get this at 2 months for no charge. I used it. It was really good. But you saw in the news a few months ago they had a lot of issues with some of their images, etc. But it's actually a pretty good AI model. So that's it for this quick video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching.